Your parents never told you about this incredible repair secret. It transforms broken items into even more valuable treasures. Imagine celebrating flaws, not hiding them away. This ancient Japanese art does exactly that. It's called Kintsugi, meaning golden joinery. Kintsugi embraces breaks, valuing an object's unique history. It teaches us a profound cultural lesson about imperfection. Discover how this philosophy changed repair forever. Discover how this philosophy changed repair forever. Kintsugi originated in the 15th century, Japan. Shogun Ashikaga Yoshimasa broke his favorite tea bowl. He sent it to China for traditional metal staple repair. Yoshimasa found the crude repair unsightly and unpleasant. Japanese craftsmen sought a more aesthetic solution. They developed a unique method, using lacquer and gold dust. This marked the birth of Kintsugi, an artful mending. Kintsugi embodies wabi-sabi, a Japanese aesthetic. Wabi-sabi celebrates imperfection, transience, and simplicity. It finds beauty in the natural cycle of wear and repair. Brokenness becomes a part of an object's story. The golden lines highlight these scars with reverence. This philosophy rejects discarding, advocating for restoration. It's a powerful cultural counterpoint to disposable culture. The kintsugi process is meticulous and very patient. Craftsmen use urushi lacquer, derived from tree sap. This natural resin acts as a strong, durable adhesive. Multiple layers are applied, each requiring careful drying. Finally, fine gold or silver powder is dusted on. The precious metal illuminates every crack and fracture. Each repair creates a distinct, beautiful golden pattern. Kintsugi is more than just a repair technique. It's an artistic statement, a philosophy in practice. The repaired item gains new character and intrinsic worth. It celebrates resilience, the ability to overcome damage. This cultural practice transformed how people viewed objects. It encourages us to see beauty in our own flaws. Every golden line tells a story of survival and renewal. Today, kintsugi inspires artists and DIY enthusiasts. Modern kits make this ancient art accessible to all. People repair ceramics, glassware, and even furniture. It's a sustainable way to upcycle beloved, broken items. This practice promotes mindful consumption and resourcefulness. Kintsugi reminds us, broken things can still be beautiful. Kintsugi isn't just about fixing, it's about valuing history. Embrace your own cracks, they tell your unique story. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.